opportunities, and blessings. Come and encounter my God, my restorer, at the Hour of Restoration service happening at the Ajayi Daunsi Memorial Baptist Church, 5557 Akonro Street, Ilasamaja, Lagos. Time is 6:30 p.m. prompt. The theme of this month's Hour of Restoration prayer service is My Restorer. Come and encounter the God of divine restoration. He's going to restore every lost opportunities, every lost blessings, and every lost years. Come and lift up your voice in prayer to our God, our restorer. Don't miss it. Jesus is waiting for you.